This is how you take the bone out of a bone-in pork shoulder butt. Find the flat side, the little small side of the bone. Get it started with the tip of the knife. Just get it underneath there and just keep it flat right along it. And all we're doing is exposing it, getting to where we can see that shoulder blade. And once you got that opened up where you can fully see it, you can flip your grip over to overhand grip. And a lot of people are uncertain when it comes to cutting towards themselves. As long as you exercise control and are aware and don't stab yourself, it really shouldn't be an issue. So you just get that side opened up, then you go over to the big side, same thing. And we're not actually removing it, we're just riding right along the bone, getting it opened up. It's actually easier in a lot of cases when boning out meat to keep it attached till a certain point to work with it. So once I've gotten that exposed, just grip it like a handle, flip it over where you got this exposed shoulder blade on top, and now you can safely work trying to expose this way. Again, just using the tip, riding underneath. You're not going to cut through the bone, so my hand is safe behind the bone. Flip it over to the other side. Same thing on the small side. All we're doing is trying to expose it. Just trying to get that bone showing. And if you've done this a couple of times and you know the shape of the bone, a little curve in there, it gets easier, it gets faster, it gets cleaner. This one may not cooperate with me great because I could feel it's a little bit frozen still. But my preferred method usually, once I got it opened up, I'm able to peel it out by hand. So at this point, I take the base of the knife and just give this edge a little scrape. And hopefully I did enough. Let's see if it pulls off clean. And I just got to finish it up here now that all that's exposed. Gives you a pretty clean bone, no waste. So the bones are out. So we've got a boneless Boston butt. You got this side here where the bone was. Usually I'll make country style ribs or something like that out of it. Today, that's not what we're doing. That's gonna get ground. But I am gonna save the pork collar, my favorite part of it, and cut it into boneless pork steaks. So it's real easy to do. You just go right in half. So this is all gonna get ground. So I'll cut that up a little finer. And this pork collar here, good for a number of things. I'm gonna give it a little square up because I only want a couple meals out of these pork steaks. And thickness, personal preference, you know. I think something close to an inch, maybe a little thinner, makes a good pork steak. And yeah, to me, it's better than a pork chop. Grill that up, it's gonna taste nice. A little salt, pepper, garlic's all you need. And I'll do the same thing on this one here.